Asha Verma and I'm your healer at angeliccurio.com. Today I'm here to do a reading for you all, and we are going to see that how the week of December, the first week of December, is going to be for all of you in terms of the messages that we have from our tarot cards. We will see messages from Archangel Michael. We will see your messages regarding your health and messages regarding your finances. So let's get started. So let's remove your tarot cards first. Sorry. Okay. Let's see the messages from Archangel Michael. Let's see your health messages. And messages about your finances. Okay, so let's see your tarot cards first. So the first card is Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords talks about new beginnings, something, a new project, uh, anything new in your life that you are planning to start. But it also guides us to be very, very practical. This new beginning is not going to be an easy one. It is going to take a lot of effort, a lot of hard work, and it requires you to be very, very, very practical, and not get involved emotionally. So anything new that you're going to start is going to be tough. It's not going to be easy, but it is going to be in the best interest for you. So that's what Ace of Swords talk about. Okay, the Empress card, lovely. So so this new beginning is going to be, as we said, that it's going to be tough, it's not going to be easy, but it is going to be for your best interest. Moving on to the mid of the week, it looks amazingly well. So this hard work, this choice, this tough choice that you are going to make in the starting of the week is going to transit into good rewards. There is I also feel that there will be a lady who will be of importance to you, who will guide you, somebody who's at a powerful position, somebody who's a mid-aged woman, somebody like a queen, who's going to be of importance. Maybe she will guide you or she will help you. This card also talks about in complete satisfaction of what you're doing. So what you're finding really tough here, you will feel satisfied and you will surely see the success coming your way. Okay, lovely. Eight of Wands. So see guys, it is how beautifully it is showing us here that there's a slightly tough decision that you need to make. It's gonna feel you will be feeling very satisfied, very content towards the mid of the week that what you have started is right, because here you may feel slightly confused, and it is going to again transit into lots of opportunities, lot of good work coming, lot of success coming your way, and in whatever you are doing, also I'm feeling this card also talks about fertility. It's a card that talks about fertility. So maybe some of you may get a good news if you're planning a baby, and a couple may get a good news regarding that. Mm, and a lot of work is going to come your way, a lot of prosperity, and it is going to come to you with the speed of light. So you need to be prepared and to do all the hard work. Okay, so at the end of the week, so it is going to be really uh, active week for you, where you are really running and really working, and it all looks really amazing. Okay, lovely. So the Archangel Michael message for you. So it says the person you are asking about is trustworthy. So here sometimes since you are doing this, you are taking a decision here of could be getting into a new project with new people, or starting a business in partnership, you know so this says that the person you're talking about, any partnership, any new project with new team, is trustworthy. So guys, you don't have to worry, don't have to feel insecure, and keep faith in the divine. The angels are with you, they are going to help you and guide you in this process. So if you're feeling, if you're doubting your team member, or if you're doubting that whether you should partner with the person, this particular person in the business, or could also be this woman who's going to be of importance, as I said, that should you be trusting what she's guiding. So yes, you should be trusting. Okay, it's good for you. Now let's see the finances. Okay, power of prayer. So guys, this is a very positive card, where it talks about all your prayers are going to be answered, and there is financial abundance coming your way. So please be very grateful to what you get. Okay, and always see, even if it is very small amount coming in, or a small profit coming in, do not get disheartened. Pay gratitude, because when you pay gratitude, the universe returns to you that thing, that your prayer in tenfold. So more and more abundance come your way. So never stop praying, never stop giving gratitude to whatever little or more that you earn. Okay, now message about your health. Okay, home help. So guys, in this card talks about you being be there. It says that you be there, home help, be there for your family. You need to get in touch with your family if you have not in a very long time, and check on maybe your parents, elders, their health. And it is actually asking you to spend some time with your family, and get uh, just just see that everybody is healthy. Everybody, if there's anybody needs help, if anybody needs a small checkup, a health checkup to be done, please do. This also card also says that Archangel Michael is protecting your family, and Archangel Raphael energies definitely is there, but Archangel Michael is also very strongly with you. So Archangel Michael and Archangel Raphael together is protecting and healing your family. But guys, it's time to also look into your family and get in touch with elders and people in your house whom you have not got in touch with for a while. So this is a message from Archangel Raphael regarding the health. So this is the reading for the week, and the cards are really positive, and the transition looks beautiful. So guys, I hope you resonated. Please know that this is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you, and just let us know with your comments and feedbacks. How did you like the reading, and does it really resonate and help you? Do also let us know if you want anything else, any feedback you have, you want to hear and talk about any topic, so we can do that at angeliccurious.com. Please don't forget to visit our website www.angeliccurious.com. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.